In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change deal owner in Pipedrive. Reassigning a deal is something you'll do whenever responsibilities shift. Maybe a teammate is going on leave, a region changes, or a specialist needs to take over. The good news is that it's quick, and doing it correctly keeps your pipeline tidy, your reports accurate, and your handoffs smooth. Start by opening the deal. From your Pipedrive workspace, head to Deals. You can search by deal name, organization, or contact to find it fast, or simply browse your pipeline and click the deal card you want to update. You'll land on the deal's detail page where you can see fields, notes, emails, and activities. Make sure you're on the specific deal you intend to reassign so you don't accidentally change ownership on the wrong record. Next, locate the owner field. On the deal detail page, look toward the top right area. You'll see the current owner's name, often with a profile icon. That label indicates who is responsible for the deal right now. If your screen is narrower or you've customized your layout, the owner field might appear in the summary panel, but it will still be clearly marked as owner, showing the person currently assigned. Now change the owner. Click directly on the owner's name to open the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of users in your company's Pipedrive account who can own deals. Select the teammate who should take over. If the person you expect isn't listed, it usually means they don't have access to that pipeline or don't have the necessary permissions, so you may need an admin to adjust settings. When you choose a new owner, you're transferring accountability for the deal. All the deal's notes, emails, and scheduled activities remain attached to the deal, so nothing is lost. Take a moment to double check you've selected the correct person before proceeding. Finally, save your change. In most cases, Pipedrive saves the update automatically as soon as you select the new owner. If you see a save button or prompt, click it to confirm. Give the page a moment to refresh, and verify that the owner field now shows the correct name. If your team uses notifications or automations, the new owner may be alerted right away. Quick recap: open the deal, find the owner field at the top right, choose the new owner from the drop-down, and make sure the change is saved. Keeping ownership accurate boosts accountability and reporting. Thanks for watching.